The commander of the Iranian Army's Air Force says Iran has reached a significant milestone in producing different kinds of drones. Brigadier General Hamid Vahedi announced on Sunday that the Army Air Force, in collaboration with other branches of the armed forces, has successfully developed a range of drones with varying capabilities, attracting interest from numerous countries seeking to purchase these advanced unmanned aerial vehicles. During a visit to Shahid Yassini Air Base, Vahedi toured the facility and inspected various units, including the drone squadron. In his address to the squadron's personnel, he highlighted Iran's strategic geographical significance, which has historically exposed the nation to numerous threats. He emphasized the substantial progress made by the Army Air Force in terms of modernizing equipment and enhancing internal cohesion. Vahedi also urged the young personnel to continue their diligent efforts to further bolster their military capabilities. Highlighting Iran's leadership in drone technology, Vahedi remarked, "Iran is a leader in the drone sector." He elaborated on the achievements of the Army Air Force, stating that the production of various drones with different operational ranges has been a significant accomplishment. This technological advancement has garnered international interest, with many countries expressing a desire to purchase Iranian drones, he noted. In recent years, Iranian military specialists and engineers have achieved notable advancements in producing a diverse array of domestically developed equipment, fostering self-reliance within the armed forces. Officials from Iran affirm their commitment to enhancing the nation's military capabilities, emphasizing their defensive nature. Iran unequivocally states that negotiations will not affect its defense capabilities. Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, the leader of the Islamic Revolution, consistently emphasizes the importance of maintaining and enhancing Iran's defense capabilities. The Army Air Force's advancements in drone technology are seen as a crucial element in maintaining and enhancing national security. Previously, Iran military chiefs said, demand for Iranian drones outpacing supply. Today, the number of customers of our drones are several times more than our production capacity, General Bakhari said, adding that major world powers are vying to purchase Iranian weapons. Speaking at a symposium in Tehran on the importance of the 8-year sacred defense in defending Iran, the high-ranking general stated that the Islamic Republic was previously prohibited from acquiring foreign-made weaponry, but is now facing limitations on the export of its domestically manufactured military equipment. The commander noted that Iran has evolved into a big drone power that is outperforming other major countries. The armed forces are now self-sufficient thanks to extraordinary advancements made in recent years by Iranian military specialists and engineers in the manufacture of a wide variety of indigenous equipment. Authorities have stated that their nation will never negotiate on its defense capabilities and will not hesitate to strengthen them, especially its missile capacity, which is solely intended for defense. Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, leader of the Islamic Revolution, has frequently urged maintaining and enhancing Iran's defense capabilities. On September 1, the drone, dubbed Kian, was unveiled in a ceremony attended by Brigadier General Alireza Sabahafard, commander of Iran's Air Defense Force. Speaking at the ceremony, Sabahafard said Kian had been designed in two types, one of which enjoys high-speed capabilities for tracking and identifying targets, while the other one is capable of long-haul flights to conduct precision strike operations. He said the advanced drone was designed, produced, tested and operationalized in 1 year by the young experts of the drone unit of the Air Defense Force. Iran has made major breakthroughs in defense industry and attained self-sufficiency in producing military equipment and hardware, despite facing sanctions imposed by the United States. The Islamic Republic says its military power is solely for defensive purposes and does not pose any threat to other countries. Sabanaford hailed the recent progress of his forces, saying Iran's air defense achievements are way ahead of expectations. The general also pointed to the domestically built missile defense system dubbed Baver 373, and said few countries have the capabilities to produce similar missile defense systems.